y'all, what's up? These are my favorite videos to film. Y'all know, because I just love stuff. We are going to be talking about all of my current favorite things. I try to do this like every month or so, maybe a little bit longer, so that way I can find like new things, and just sometimes they're my old faithful favorites. Most of these things are also great Christmas gifts or holiday gifts, so pay attention, because you may know someone in your family or friends, whatever, that would like some of these things. So yeah, I'm very excited. So let's just go ahead and get on into it. Okay, this first thing is very heavy, so I'm gonna try and get this one out of the way. So like I always say, all of this stuff is gonna be linked down below. But this first thing you may not get the best look at because it's so heavy, but this is my weighted blanket. Y'all, I finally got one. This was like an early birthday present. My birthday is like next week, but I've always wanted a weighted blanket. This is 20 pounds. It's from Target. It has like some kind of temperature thing in it so it doesn't make you hot. And that's what I was kind of like worried about, because I'm very hot natured, but I like a lot of weight on me when I'm sleeping. Like I like to sleep with it freezing cold, you know, like in a big t-shirt, but then have like a million blankets on me. And y'all, this thing, even just sitting in my lap like right now, I think I'm gonna leave it here, because it just kind of like makes you feel like you're getting a hug, but like a different kind of hug, because sometimes I'm awkward when I get hugs, but this is like truly just incredible. So a weighted blanket, get it for yourself, get it for someone you love. It's amazing. Another thing that I have been just obsessed with for a long time is my Kindle. Y'all know I went through this phase like towards the end of the summer, early fall, where I was going to Barnes & Noble every single week and buying like 3 to 5 books and reading them, and I'm back into that like cycle of wanting to read all the time. But I have a Kindle now, and this is the Kindle Paperlight, Paperweight, Paper something. I'll link it down below, and it's just super easy. Sometimes when it's like you know, like not unlocked, it has like ads for like sometimes like weird random books, so just ignore that. But yeah, it's just super easy to read, and it's so much cheaper than going out and buying, you know, $15 to $20 to $25 books every week. So I think this is also a great gift. It was $130. I bought this from Best Buy, but they have them like literally everywhere, so love my Kindle. Another thing that's also a really good gift that I'm just obsessed with is my Impressions vanity mirror. This was in my FabFitFun box. Also, I have a code, Claire10, for a FabFitFun box discount if you want to check that out. But I just have to say, this mirror, you can see myself, this mirror is absolutely incredible because it has like the best technology. Let me just see. Okay, you can't really tell because there's a light coming towards the light. It's like the brightest light ever. The mirror is so sharp, and you can see every detail on your face, which may or may not be a good thing, but I used this to get ready this morning, and I was honestly shocked by how bright it is. Oh, also, you can like hold down the button, and it makes it either brighter or dimmer, so that's why it might not have looked as bright. This makes a great gift. I believe this one's pretty affordable, so I will link it down below, and I can also link some similar ones. But I've had all different kinds of makeup mirrors with a like a light around them, and this one's like by far the best one I've ever had, and it's super easy, and I feel like it's like even travel friendly. So like even when I go to Disney World next week, I'm probably gonna bring this with me to like get ready in the hotel room. Okay, now we gotta talk about candles. We always talk about candles, and I know y'all know I love like the tree smells, like Tree Farm, Fresh Blossom, Evergreen, all that stuff. So I wanted to show y'all some different candles that I cannot stop lighting. And I know I've talked about it, I have like a candle collection, but it's not because I'm like some hoarder or something, but it's because I have a candle lit almost, you know, 24 hours a day, except for when I'm sleeping, of course, because I work from home, and like I'm always in my room or in my living room, so there's always a candle lit. It just puts me in like the best mood. These are also great gifts, but right now my current obsession is Merry Cookie. I did this one last year, and I'm already about halfway, almost done with this one. It just smells really sweet, very vanilla-y, very sugary, and it just smells like your typical Christmas cookie. Another one I've talked about is the Perfect Christmas. This one is just incredible. Even the lady in Bath & Body Works was like, yeah, that one sold out, because I tried to go buy it again. And I'm trying not to use it a lot because I don't want it to go away. It just smells to me like a typical Christmas. We have all those other scents like winter and frosted cranberry. This one's like different. So it's like fresh cut pine, cinnamon sugar, toasted marshmallow. So it's kind of like a mixture of everything, and it just like rounds up the smell of like everything Christmassy. And so those are like 2 candles that I just had to highlight that I have been like obsessed with. Next I have to talk about this lotion. So I've been using Nivea lotion for a while, but I found this new scent because they were sold out of my usual one. And this is the Nivea oil infused lotion, and it smells like cherry blossom, and it has jojoba oil. I don't know what that is exactly, but it smells good. So when I think of cherry blossom, sometimes I either think of the Jergens original scent lotion or either the Bath and Body Works cherry blossom. This does not smell like that at all. This smells more like expensive, mature scent. And it's not like super overwhelming. Like I get overwhelmed by both of those scents I just mentioned, and this one's like so moisturizing. I put this like all over my legs, feet, and arms every night before I go to bed, and I love this lotion. This is a closer look, and I got it from Target. Next up, I just can't continue without talking about these, because these are truly like my current favorite thing over everything, and that would be these Hershey's Kiss mints. Y'all, or they're Hershey's Candy Cane mint candy with stripes and candy bits. They're Hershey's Kisses. I love them so much that I made cookies out of them. I made them yesterday. It might have been like last week by the time this video goes up, but I made cookies. They're a Hershey's Candy Cane Kiss cookie with like a peppermint candy cane icing. The video is on my IGTV right now, and then it's also the recipes on my blog. All that's always linked down below. These are just amazing. I got these from Target. They probably have them everywhere. They're just so good, and I don't even like candy like that. They're my weakness, truly. Next up, I've raved about this. I talked about this on my vlogs before, and I just love this thing so much. I can't really describe it. It is this notepad from Target. It's from the brand Noteworthy. Well, no, it's not even the brand Noteworthy. It just says Noteworthy on the front. It's by the brand Blue Sky. Let me like flip a couple pages because I actively use this thing. It's like one of those like Padfolio styles, but I like it because it's like pretty and put together, but it's also like very useful. So you have like the dates at the top. You can like circle them. You can have a topic, your to-do list, your goals, and then just note it section. So I use this for YouTube, and I talked about this in one of my last vlogs. I wrote down goals for the month of November for YouTube. I wrote them on one of these pieces of paper, and I hit those goals and actually passed those goals. So whether it's subscribe count, money made, watch hours, all that stuff, and I passed my goals for the month, and I was very surprised and pleased with myself. And so I'm going to try that again for December, and also just like anything, whether it's school or work or whatever. I think I just love this notepad because it's pretty, and also it's like useful. And I've always talked about that, especially in college, that I feel like pretty things, like pretty notebooks, pretty pens, make me want to work more. You know what I'm saying? Okay, 2 words. Satin scrunchies. Life-changing. Okay, so I got these from Ulta. This is from the brand Kitsch. It was like $8 for a 5-pack. I could be off about that. It was very affordable, but they are just like these satiny scrunchies, and I just like these better. I feel like they stay in your hair. They don't stretch out too much, and they're amazing. Then I also got this single big scrunchie from Target, but they also have packs at Target where you get like packs of 2, and I was gonna get these for a giveaway. I didn't know if anyone would want them, but I love a big scrunchie because it makes your hair, it makes you look like you tried more, you know, even if you just throw your hair up in a low pony or a low bun, which I do like constantly. And so I just had to shout these out because they're super affordable, and they're not easy to lose because they're kind of big. Well, these aren't big, but you know, they're just amazing. I had to talk about them, and they make a great stocking stuffer. And also another hair thing that I've been obsessed with are these like butterfly or claw clips, whatever you want to call them. I know these are very like 90s, early 2000s, but they are making a comeback, and I think they're honestly like really cute. I feel like when I go back to work or start, you know, getting out and about again, I will wear these more. But I think they're just kind of cute if you don't want to do a scrunchie. I prefer a scrunchie just because it doesn't, like, you don't feel it in your head at all, and this one you kind of feel, but it makes me feel like I don't know, I'm having my 90s moment. I love it. I want to talk about these lashes. They're the Ardell Wispies. Everyone's always used these because they're so affordable. I got these at Target. You can get them at Ulta, wherever. I got this 5-pack. I have like 2 pair left. I have them on my eyes right now, and let me tell you why I love these so much. They are so lightweight. The band is so thin, you don't even feel it. They go on so easily. I have this new, I guess I should have mentioned this too, but this new like duo lash glue. One side's clear, one side's black, and so I just paint it on with some lash glue and then let them dry for a couple seconds, blow on it, and then put them on. And they're just so thin, and it's the band that's really thin, and that's what you need to have like almost an unnoticeable band. So I love them. I know that was a lot, but now we're gonna go to like an opposite price point, and this is definitely more bougie, but if you have like a makeup lover in your life, they will love to get this for Christmas if they don't already have it. And I don't really buy eyeshadow palettes a lot because I'm big on using the same ones over and over again, like my Jaclyn Hill palette or whatever. This is the Natasha Denona Glam palette, and y'all, this thing is so pretty. I got this back in like late August, early September. I got it when it first launched, and the colors are just beautiful if you're like me and love like a cool tone smoky look. I'm wearing it on my eyes right now. I'm wearing like the gold deeper shades, but I wear this palette almost every single day because it's just so beautiful, and it's so pigmented and so creamy and beautiful, and I just can't talk enough about this palette. And so I feel like if you know someone that loves makeup like I do, I will love getting that for Christmas. So I just filmed actually before this an Ipsy bag unboxing, and this was in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus last month, I believe, maybe 2 months ago, but it is like one of my favorite things I've ever gotten ever. It is the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. I don't know what it is, but it makes your face feel and look so bouncy and youthful and just plump and hydrated, no matter if you have oily or dry skin. I have more of the oily side of skin, but this thing is very expensive, and I didn't realize that until I looked it up, because I was like, okay, now Ipsy's got me addicted to this stuff. Whenever I run out, I'm gonna have to get more, but it is very expensive, but it's like almost like a luxury skincare item, I would say. So if you are looking for some kind of serum, retinoid serum, that stuff is amazing. I don't even know if you want to spend that kind of money on it, because honestly, I don't know if I would have ever. I would have known about it, but now I'm gonna have to save up because I'm addicted to that stuff. Let's talk about lips really quickly. This lipstick I'm obsessed with. It's by Kylie Cosmetics. Also had a sale for Black Friday where all of her lips were $10, and this is in the shade Flirtini, and it is a matte shade. It's so beautiful. It's like that bright pink that I love. I did a makeup look using it this morning, so it's literally the makeup look I'm doing right now, but I just changed lipsticks a little bit ago, and it's just this beautiful bright pink that I feel like anybody could wear. So yeah, I'll link all this down below once again. And then also we have another lip product. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Can, C-A-N-N-E-S. It's so beautiful. I do have it on right now, even though I am kind of covering it with a deeper lipstick, but it's just like a beautiful berry mauve, and I feel like it would look pretty on so many people. And another reason I'm shouting it out is because I've only really used like higher end lip liners until recently. I have become like addicted to NYX lip liners, and that one's been one of my favorites. And another drugstore favorite of mine, I feel like I'm just talking without a breath right now, is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss with hyaluronic acid in the shade Moon. I don't even know if I have it on right now. I had it on earlier, but it is just like this beautiful pink color, and it's super easy to put on any kind of shade. I have been wearing this like every day on top of whatever lip. And it's super like plumping, and it makes your lips like not sticky but look so glossy and wet, and I just love this stuff. It's really pretty by itself too, so I can't say enough about it. Okay, next, I love these things so much that I just got them out of the washing machine when they are still dirty, and they're very kind of damp, which is gross because I think they might be a little sweaty. But I had to talk about these because these are truly like one of the favorite things, like favorite pieces of clothing I've ever found, and that would be these yoga pants from Fabletics. They are so stretchy and they're so soft and smooth. They feel like butter, and a lot of people are talking about these flared leggings coming back in style, whatever. They're yoga pants to me always, and I think they're just super flattering. They're very high rise. They suck you in but not not like uncomfortably. So I wanted to talk about those. Okay, so the next thing that we have to talk about are these leggings from Fabletics. And this is not sponsored by Fabletics. I don't even have like a link or anything. But y'all, these leggings are truly some of the best leggings I've ever had. So this is the back of them. They're very flattering because they kind of like angle up when you wear them, and they have like this little design that kind of goes over your bum area, but they feel like butter and suck you in, kind of like those like the yoga pants, but even better because they're perfect for working out. They're super high rise, they don't roll down. I got them in a large, and they are just so comfortable that I could wear them to the gym and to run and work out, but I could also wear them to lounge around my house. That's like how much I love them. So I had to talk about them because they are truly like just incredible. And also I had to mention that I have finally caught onto the coffee trend of mixing a protein shake into your coffee. So what I do, I love my Nespresso machine. That really is a current favorite thing, or should be in this current favorite video. I cannot talk. So what I do, I like make a double shot of espresso, and then I put it over ice, and then I put this Quest salted caramel protein shake. I also really love the Premier protein shakes, but they were out at the grocery store, so this is the one I got. But they're so good. It's very sweet. It does not taste like you have 1 gram of sugar. They're 13 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of sugar. So this is what it looks like if you look for it in the grocery store. But I'm gonna try the Premier protein next because that's what everyone says is good. This is by Quest. It's so good though. It's like very sweet, so if you don't like sweet coffee, you may not like it, but if you like this as a protein shake and you like coffee, it's a great way to combine it into one thing. The last thing I'm going to talk about is probably my most worn piece of clothing, and I bought this last year, but they still sell it this year. And if you're looking for just a good black affordable denim oversized jacket, then this is for you because it is from Target. I believe it's like $32, and y'all see me in this because I wear it like all the time with casual clothes or like out and about clothes, whatever. And it is just this trucker style black jacket. It's from the brand Wild Fable. I'll link it below. I know so many people wear these like super cute black jackets, and I almost want to get another one and then like distress it, because it's not distressed, but it's just super super cute, and you can wear it like with anything, and I just love this jacket. Okay guys, ignore all the mess in the back, but I am doing a giveaway in this video. I just started cleaning up from all my videos today and forgot to mention it, but I am spreading my giveaways out through this month. I've already talked about that in other videos. How to enter is going to be down below, but the giveaway is going to be valued at a little bit over $50 to $60 today. First, we have this matcha business candle from the brand Forever Mood, which is by Jackie Aina. I bought all 4 of her candles, and I'm keeping the other 3, but I have not lit this one yet. I will show you, so that way I can give it to someone who it might fit better. So I really like it. I like the smell. It's just not my kind of favorite scent. So everyone's got a different nose. So if you like Jackie Aina, and if you like kind of sweet matcha-y kind of smells, you will like that. It's kind of like a little bit of coconut in it. But I'm also going to include this novel. It is Waiting for Tom Hanks. It's just like a cutesy romance novel, so you can light your candle, read you a book. Also, I'm including this Beautiful Day hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works, and also this Sunrise Cell hand cream from Bath & Body Works. So it's just a cute little cozy giveaway, and again, I have more giveaways that are going to be going on my channel, and yeah, they're very easy to enter. And let me know what you want to see next, and that is all. Thank you for watching and entering.